We are ready for tab 7. This is where you will be sharing your lesson plans on your Ask a Ramp application. We know you know, but please make sure you protect student identity by not including identifiable student information anywhere in your Ask a Ramp application. As always, you will want to check out the most recent rubric before you begin any of the required tabs. You can do that by clicking on the View Rubric button on the upper right-hand corner in each tab of your application. If that does not work, then you can download the rubric from the Ramp homepage. On tab 7 of your Ask a Ramp application, you will be transferring information from your small group and classroom lesson plans to the Ask a Ramp form. Remember, you will be discussing for your Ask a Ramp reviewers 3 standalone classroom lessons or 3 lessons from a unit of lessons. You will also be providing all of the lessons from a small group, which means a minimum of 4 sessions with 3 to 12 students each. In Module 16, Steps 42 and 43, you can click on the report icon to get a copy of your lesson plans. Remember, you are copying the information from your lesson plans to the Ask a Ramp form. There are boxes on the Ask a form for each portion into which you will copy and paste the information you entered in our Ramp Ready system. As on every tab, you will be given the opportunity to answer a reflection question. Remember, this is where you have to provide context and more in-depth information. ASCA often requests very specific examples, so make sure you and your team can tell your story well so a Ramp reviewer has a clear picture of your work. In this case, for example, you may need to be able to reflect upon how the chosen mindsets and behavior standards were addressed through your lessons. Finally, you'll be given the option in every tab to upload supporting documentation. On tab 7, you may want to upload any identifying information for lesson plans you use through a company or service, referring to programming and publisher, etc. We can see the summit from here. You are almost there. Call, text, or email me if you want to talk anything through.